One of the questions was about my fears. My fear is that method of Scherbak, Professor Scherbak, can die. The mighty creator, inspired scientist, method was developed, proving as a very good methodology, safe and effective. But since Soviet Union was fall apart, and this whole subsidized schools was closed, research was stopped. And this is my fear. By my nature, I fear and I do teach, and I just don't know if enough students I will be able to prepare in my lifetime. I am a big believer in continuing education. I believe that always every one of us has pretty huge room for improvement, to study, etc. Russian medical and sports massage, as it was proposed by Professor Scherbak, not really known in America, and this is huge baggage of knowledge, real body of knowledge. All methodologies was developed through research, extensive research, and clinically, most importantly, during many decades and level of Olympian teams, clinically proving working methodology. I had an opportunity to produce 20 DVDs. I covered there probably 60 case presentation. Step by step, it's very easy to study. This method very easy to study because it was developed by scientists for massage therapists. Step by step. I believe in simple approach. And I teach on these DVDs all these 60 plus protocols step by step, start from sciatic nerve neuralgia, including post-isometric relaxation, trigger point therapy, fascia muscles, myofascial release, all this in details with hands-on. I'm teaching, and you actually can use my DVDs as a continuing education. Please visit any of my website. You will find descriptions of each DVD, and if you will find topics or some case presentation of your interest, you possibly can buy it and study. All 20 DVDs that I produced, approved by National Board as continuing education. And in such a case, you will be able to study well the protocols to the implementation. I believe that continuing education, being this live presentation in classroom or study from DVDs, subject have to be understood and hands-on have to be perfected to the point of immediate implementation. Advantage to study from DVDs is that you can rewind. You can pick up rhythms of my performances, the angles I explained, for example, for trigger points, angles of how we enter into the trigger points, how we compress, gradually increasing pressure, all in details I'm explaining. I do. I love to teach live seminars. Look, some of us after 20, actually not some of us, a lot of us, study shows that after 20 minutes in the live seminars we can losing focus. If you study from a DVD, you're tired after 20 minutes, you're resting, you have time. you have time. You're not under pressure of time during 6 months. You can submit to me the test. Yeah, but again, this is no pressure. This your home environment. You can invite your friends. You can study together. Not only that you will learn well, step by step, and with no pressure of time, you can rewind, and you will keep it. DVD as a reference, like a library. You know, doctors, if some case that they don't remember and they have difficulties to remember, they pulling out the medical reference book. Here, you just will put DVD, you listen to my explanation and see how I'm doing it, and of course supported materials in details explain how to perform these steps. Also additionally, you read, you view, etc. From perspective of cost, it costs much less than live seminar. Average 12 hours live seminars cost $250 probably. My home programs, with all advantages, and having DVD, and having me at home as a private instructor, more than 60% cheaper. At home is also avoiding traveling time. It is sometimes you have to travel, you know, and find parking and classroom environment. Not everyone. I just come to conclusions that most of us study much better at home in environment. Now, nowadays technology allow you to communicate with me live. We have Facebook. You're welcome to join my group, and in the bottom of this screen you will find the address of Facebook, and just pose the question and many will learn. We will do this question answers in a format of discussion.
This is going to benefit you in a few ways. This education that we're going to offer through the site, it can benefit you in terms of your recertification requirements, your CEUs or your CEUs. You'll be able to use this education to renew your certification. That's great. Two, you can learn these techniques and incorporate them into your practice and with your clients, which will help your clients get results, which will help you financially because we want to continue to train with you. So I'm very excited about that. I'm very glad to have met Boris. I felt like I've known him my whole life, and I hope you will log on and get some of the DVDs and start learning this and incorporating it in your practice.
Again, you will be able to implement this on your clients, and you will get necessary mandatory continuing education credit hours. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope we will be friends forever. Somehow I will be able to contribute to you, and you will like my work. Thank you.